Hey, what's going on, guys? Factions Ghost here, and welcome to Monster Showdown. Today I'm gonna be playing two different maps. The Undead Theater, which is basically Kino Deterrent, and the other one, it's a customized map from the old Call of Duty Black Ops Zombies, either 2 or 3. It's the Infinite Tower kind of thing. So let's start it up with the most nostalgic one, aka Kino Deterrent.
Tick, tick, boom. Who bringing the noise? Go baby, we bringing our toys.
And of course, this is gonna be not that really related to Call of Duty Zombies. It's gonna be mostly like different. Also, I can dual wield the same weapon. And also dual wield different weapons in hand. So I gotta get ready for this. And also in order to reload I have to grab the grab button. Okay. So far I have a lot of different... Alright, why don't I use the fucking... better. Come here. Okay. Feels nice to do this. How much? I have 1,200. Know what that means? There's of course dog rounds, so I have to prepare for those. Ooh. Yes. This is a nice one. Does more damage than I thought. Very nice one. Oh, of course it's a burst weapon. That's why it's not good when I need to like hold the trigger. Hello, little one. I'm gonna destroy you with the knife. That's nice. Okay, another knife. Another weapon, I should say. I don't know what these do. I played the game, but I don't really know much about it. Okay, they are not that strong. Also, of course, these are vending machines for donuts that give me powers. Okay, of course this is gonna be better. Okay, there's runners already. I don't have enough. Okay, let me buy this real quick before I kill him. Ooh, the MP5s. Okay, now I should do this because I need to do it to make sure that I have a second chance. Thank you. Okay. See you later, zombie. I need to take down more just so I can get... Oh, forgot about these two. Also, my controller's not working. No, you don't. Oh, God. Okay, I need to use my other weapon. Go away. Oh God, yes! These are the equivalent to a fucking ray gun. But they are a bit slower. And also slow reloading. That's not gonna be fun. I'm gonna see if I can get another specialist weapon. Fuck, a shotgun. Okay, I'm gonna leave these for later. Right now I need to do, get most of these. This is Juggernaut Donut. 2,000 freaking things. This one's Speed Donut, which is kind of like the equivalent of Speed Cola. This one is called Arsenal, which I can get another weapon other than these two. But also the fucking... Oh, elemental one.
And refill.
Yes! There it goes. Okay, let me try another time. Ooh! That's even more stronger. I've played this game before, and I'm gonna show you why. Yep, obvious. Fucking black hole weapon. Now all I need to focus on is getting the perks. Dog round, there's some bitches around, all around the world, there's some bitches around. Okay, there it goes. That's the full completion to that song before I did in Call of Duty Mobile Zombies. Oh, God. Two birds with one stone. I might need to change that one. I need to change that one. It's not that good. Oh God. Okay, it's now over there. So I might have to focus mostly on perks. So I'm gonna get Juggernaut. Okay, nobody does like this anymore. Okay. I knew it. Carpenter! Oh God. Go away, you disgusting creature. Oh, one-shot kill now. Mother. Okay. Oh god. Okay, they have a certain range until they explode. Now that I have place to breathe, and also gather a lot more fucking different guns, I'm gonna do it. Oh no! A round started before I killed the last one. Flamethrower is a good one. Flame! Okay, it's time again. There goes. Okay, I need to get another one. Give me something good. This is not even that good. I need carpenter again. At least I have a fast weapon. I think elemental damage can help me now. Oh god. Okay. That reload so slow. Come on. Even though it's bad. Is that the last one? Ooh! Another upgraded one. Still not good. A nuke, I'm not gonna use the nuke. Give me that. Is that the last one? Yes. Okay, I can... Come here. Just come here. See ya. What? Agree, Venny. Green need more than that. Come on, zombies. come to me, come to Papa. This is a bad weapon. I have to shoot like that. Okay. It gave them a chance. But no more chances. Oh god. Also, I can be sucked into the black hole if I jump into it. I can now get another weapon. Okay, give me something good. Mother. Don't God. The bloody. You know what? I'm gonna take it and use it. The hell do I have on my head? Oh, it's the rocket launchers. Come here, come here. Good boy. Sniper. Not gonna lie, it's nice, but I'm gonna need a weapon that blows them off. Give them a little blowjob. Not this weapon again. I'm gonna take it, but I'm gonna need a better weapon than that. The fuck is that? Oh no. That's a bad one. That's a really bad option. So I'm gonna need to change it up. This is the last one, and then up. Okay, thanks for the flick blocks. This is gonna be difficult beyond any means. I have Juggernaut, I have everything that I need except for one. Except for one. I think, yeah, it's this one. I'm gonna need Speed Cola for sure. Flintlocks on that. Are you kidding me again? Oh, I'm gonna need to buy some. Did I get carpenter? No. Double points! Let's go! I'm gonna need to touch every pocket because this is where I get fucking points. Another different type of weapon. Okay, I'm gonna need one more time. Please. The green one again. Okay, I'm not gonna complain. I'm gonna just try to get a different weapon and be happy. Fuck! Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Okay, yeah, just cut the hell out of it. Motherfucker. Okay. The red variant. That weapon is not that good. Come on. Give me the one that makes them go. The green variant again. This one just bounces. Okay, now that's a respectful weapon. Switch. Carpenter.
Builder.
Okay. That's going to be a lot for a bit. I guess I'm gonna take this weapon. We can get this. That's why I have to be careful when I use this weapon. Fuck. I died. Yes! There it goes. I got to round 10. Finish gun game. I can... There's actually a mode called gun game? Oh, game mode. Gun game. Okay, there it goes. I'm just gonna play, I guess here, that's it for the video, because you know I'm gonna do this map later in the game, because you know it's been a long time me like just recording this little video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe for more videos like this, and share to all of your friends for more interesting VR games. Oh, hello buddy. And yeah, see you guys later. Bye bye.